And now for another practical and elegant storage solution, the Glenwood. This stylish wood-like storage box seamlessly blends into your garden environment. Thanks to its automatic opening mechanism, you can easily store just about anything, from pool equipment, seat cushions, kids' toys, and even gardening tools. And once you're finished, you can simply lock it. The Glenwood also won't warp, peel, or rust, so you will never have to paint it.
But wait, there's more!
Equipped with reinforced metal, Glenwood is also a bench durable enough to comfortably seat 2 people. Imagine that! So, ladies and gentlemen, after hearing all that, isn't it time to treat your garden to a Glenwood?
Glenwood is part of the Ketter family of stylish wood-like storage solutions. Ketter Do-It-Myself Show.